Hello everyone, let me show you how to find employee for your electronic shop. Let's go step by step. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to find employee for your electronic shop now. Just visit website, then apply for employee. Website is IGT TECH COLLEGE.com. When reach here, apply for employee, then record here info, scroll down, fill out this form, don't skip any option. So your name, last name, email address, WhatsApp number, include your country code. Let's fill out this form. My name, Seth Iradukunda. You enter your own name as boss. Enter your email address. Remember to write valid and active email address. And then scroll down. WhatsApp number includes country code +256. Enter your valid number, please. And then scroll down. Explain your location, your country. For example, my country is Uganda. Then explain your location, like district, everything about your location, even zip code, everything. So then scroll down to which employee you need. For example, is male, female, or both of them, no problem. So district, enter your own explanations. Kawempe, that is example. You have to fill out your detail, not my details. So after fill here, scroll down. You can enter village if there is a village, if there is a zip code, if there is a plot location, if there is a load number, and so on like that. So for me, this is example. Then scroll down, choose here which employee you need, is male, is female, or both of them. Fill here your location details. Then scroll down, choose here. Let me delete this. You scroll down. Okay. You can choose both or one. It depends on which gender you need. So go down to your gender, your own gender. Male, an employee from my country or any country. Scroll down, your language, my language. You can include another language if it's not written here, like a national language. You can write here on other. For example, Ruganda or Fumbira, Runyankore. For natural language, you can fill out it here. Then scroll down. Fill here or language you know. Okay. Then scroll down to explain about your job offer. Explain about job you offer, which you are offering. For example, you're offering some job, explain it here. I need an employee to work for my electronic shop, to repair mobile phone, TV, and so on like that. Then after, you go to blue button. Let me first write this example. I need an employee to work in my electronic shop, electronic repair shop. Okay, that is another example. You will just enter enough explanation about your that job which you are offering to use. Then you scroll down, click to submit here. First check if the field is filled out well, then submit here. Apply for an employee. Your response has been recorded, so you have to write, then we shall call you. It is not possible to submit this form again only once, as you see here. Then go back to site, apply form. You have already responded. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.